Welcome! In this video, I show you how to add and position anchor rails for the landing doors. Additionally, you'll learn how to add and edit entrance pockets and explore sill options. Let's get started! Let's kick things off by adding the upper anchor rails for the landing doors. Head to an entrance front detail inside view and select the landing door. Navigate to the breadcrumb window and click the gray arrow to see the child objects of the door. Select Door Fixing Point List 0 and set the One Large Anchor Rail option to Yes under Fixing Options. Ensure that the component group is visible for the view frame. To add the bottom anchor rail, repeat the same steps with Door Fixing Point List 1. Next, let's position the anchor rails. Switch to Design Mode and adjust the dimensions in blue to position them and achieve the desired length. Now I'll show you how to create entrance pockets. It's quite simple. Activate the door in the drawing area and click E0 in the breadcrumb window. Click the gray arrow and select the entry pocket. These pockets already exist as elements but need a depth specification to be visible. Enter, for example, 50 mm for the pocket depth. Note that the shaft sides are independent of each other, so the front and rear must be set separately. To edit the pocket, switch the Pocket Width option to Manually. This allows you to set the pocket width, distance to the corner, height above the door, and pocket height below the door. You can switch the pocket height calculation between relative to the door height and relative to the finished floor. The pocket depth for the front and rear can be quickly defined using the shaft depth dimension. As with any list object, you can set pocket sizes individually for each floor. Simply switch the grouping to "This pocket is different" for the respective floor. Finally, let's explore the additional sill options. Switch to a vertical section view and enter Design Mode. Here you can directly select E0, for example. In the Properties under Entry Settings, you'll find additional sill options. You can switch from No to either Foundation Drip Lip or Foundation Pocket. Let's take a closer look at these options. For both options, you can enter values for dy and dz to define the size. Keep in mind that the dz value starts from the top of the screed. To set the sill individually per floor, set the grouping at E0 to "This sill is different." Easy, right? Thanks for watching!